Hello peeps, it's Teddy. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Minecraft. So, we are going to be playing on the one and only Okay, I'm just going to pick a random one. No, I don't like that one. Guess I'm not going to pick a random one. Okay. This is the map the server I really like. I'm not gonna play Murder Mystery. Not gonna play survival games. No. I think I'm gonna play hide and seek. Did I do it? Okay, I did it. Oh, okay. So I don't think I have anything in my locker. We're just gonna be playing some good old Hive. Or Stampy. Does Stampy still do Minecraft? I haven't watched him in a long time. Obviously, Dark Prismarine. That's probably a bad idea. Can I change? I can change. Anvil, because nobody will ever suspect that. Okay, shoot. Look at all these people. I think if I hide in here, I could go on this shelf. No. If I actually got good at parkour. Okay. No. I gotta. Shoot. No, it won't place it correctly. Okay, what if I do this? Is that no? Oh gosh. Oh shoot. What does this do? Emote. Do I have points or does it give me points? Oh no, that was a bad idea. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. She's gonna suspect this. Okay, maybe not. Oh, I have a cooldown. That's not cool. Are you a furry? Oh, jeez. 12 seconds. No. Oh, jeez. I got a sword. Go to you, Visco. I can use one. I like the llama balloon. Oh gosh. If somebody walks in here, I'm just gonna whack them. And then they'll be like, oh, where did that come from? There's so many anvils. So why would they expect this one right here? It's totally not sketchy at all. Oh, look, somebody just did one. Not sketchy at all. So, as I was saying, Screencast-O-Matic is very good, except the only bad thing is I can only record for 15 minutes, so there's going to be a lot of videos going. Because since I can only run for 15 minutes, yeah. That's a bad thing. And if anybody's watching this, they can just leave stuff in the comments saying, oh, we want to see you on this server, or maybe you want to see me build something. I really don't. I'll do anything. I would be streaming right now, but ow, my legs. I would be streaming right now, not because of my legs. I'd be streaming right now because this is a boring game of hide and seek. Hold on, I'm just gonna talk. So I would be streaming right now, but I can't because the Wi-Fi people haven't come to fix the Wi-Fi. So now all I can do is this. Okay, I think I'm gonna move. There's somebody in here this whole time. No, he took my hiding spot. I was about to hide over there. You know what? Just for that, mister, I'm giving away your hiding spot. Wait, where'd he go? Wait, where'd my emerald go? Wait, where did my thing go? Where is it? My anvil. Am I visible? Wait, hold on. No! No, hide! Hide, what are you doing? Okay. Oh, Jesus. I would use the long... I won! Did we win? Yay! We won! Whew. That was an intense game. Wait, how was I not the one with the most points? I think I did very good. I'm gonna play something else. I'm gonna play Mystery. I have an 0.8% chance of being murdered. And I have a 1% chance of being sheriff. That's fine. I'm fine. Okay. I'm a short person. No, I'm average height. There's just some people that are taller than me. I'm innocent. Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be? If that was... Oh! 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 Oh, you heard that too? Oh, Jesus. Ah! He just teleported. No. Shoot, 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 shoot. It's that cat person. Oh, it's him! It's him! Woo! It's him, it's him, it's him, it's him. Who is it? I don't see it. No, this is so scary. I don't know if you can see how scared I am right now, but I am very scared, and this is Minecraft. Okay. Uh-oh. Stonky. Stonk. Oh, that scared me. Oh. Sheriff, come back here. Sheriff. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh! 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 My God. Whoa. Kind of scary. That was... That was very scary. Guess I could play a little death run until time runs out with my recording. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it. And I leap, leap, leap. Uh-oh. Can't see, there's two. Hey! I'm so bad, I'm like the worst. You're not even focused on me, don't worry. It's fine, I'm the last Whoa, I didn't know I could do that, that's cool. These people are pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Except for me, I'm like the only good one here. Ignore that. Let me sprint. Miss Maze. Ow. Oh! Why did that happen? And why am I getting scared? Oh, gee, buddy. Okay, I can leap, so that's fine. I'm fine. Did I actually? No, why? What? I thought the checkpoint. I'm still the best at this game. I'm the best. I'm literally the best at this game. That's why I see nobody, because they're all behind me. Oh, jeez. No. No way. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this death run maze thing. Oh, that's how I do it. Thank you, Mrs. So nice. Caution. All around me are familiar faces. Oh no. Wait, will I get copyrighted for that? Good thing I didn't say the last part, you know. What I have on my upper head. You know, familiar. Still the best player. Wait, what? Let's keep jumping and everything will be... I won! Oh my god, I won. I'm so good. Bro, I'm so good. Look, there's me right there. Guys, look. That's me up there. I'm so good. Wow, I'm just the best at this game. Okay, well, if you did enjoy this video of me winning all the time because I'm just too good, then you can hit the like button. But you are forced to subscribe because Steve will kiss you because he loves you. Yeah. Bye. Oh, oops. Oh, my face is in the way. Goodbye.